Top 5 Best Commercial Pressure Washer. Number 5. Simpson Commercial Pressure Washers. For medium-sized projects, this gas pressure washer from Simpson is powerful enough and a steal at around $300. What's more, it has 10-inch pneumatic tires that make transporting it around more accessible, and they even roll nicely on uneven ground. The 5 quick connect nozzles that come with this pressure washer allow for different pressure settings and can be used for hot or cold water to clean anything from a garage floor to a home siding. Users recommend ensuring that all the nuts and bolts are firmly tightened before putting the machine to use. One satisfied consumer wrote, "Used it the first day for 4 hours and the second day for 4 hours. It never skipped a beat." Coming in number 4. AR Blue Clean Commercial Pressure Washer. This small unit from AR Blue Clean is portable, lightweight, and easy to bring along to any garden area to clean a deck, garden furniture, or a paved surface. The ceramic pistons help reduce abrasion from soaps, while its aluminum frame and electric motor make maintenance much more manageable. This commercial pressure washer's power is ideal for home tasks or smaller projects that don't require very hot water, as the maximum temperature it reaches is 122 degrees Fahrenheit. One buyer who gave this product 5 stars commented, "I bought this pump to use in my garage for car washing and absolutely love it. It's powerful and quiet. It's perfect for car washing and also for light cleaning work." Coming in number 3. Karcher Commercial Pressure Washer. For smaller cleaning projects, this power washer from Karcher is ideal. Its high-pressure hose features a Vario wand which makes it easier to control the pressure, and it also has a convenient detergent tank that allows the user the ability to control exactly how much soap to disperse. This pressure washer has an induction motor which provides a longer lifespan by reducing the chance of overheating. Since this is an electric pressure washer that would have to be used with an extension cord, it isn't recommended for second-story homes. One happy purchaser described, "It did the job on some tough stains on my front walk and driveway. I live in Florida, and the high humidity quickly builds up the moss on anything that doesn't get direct sunlight." The water pressure and nozzle worked like a charm on the worst areas. Coming in number 2. Simpson Cleaning Gas Pressure Washer. Packed with features, the Simpson pressure washing machine can clean even the most stubborn stains. Features on this pressure washer include 5 quick connect nozzles that improve water flow and soap nozzles, a triplex plunger pump, and pneumatic wheels. The washer's welded steel construction frame provides stability and comfortably houses the monster hose, even while using it on uneven ground. "It's the best I've ever used," raved one customer. This Simpson commercial unit has no fall-off of pressure even at 150 feet of hose on it. The 420 cubic centimeters Honda motor lives up to Honda's reputation. Coming in number 1. Generac Commercial Pressure Washer. This Generac gas pressure washer is a top choice for anyone after a particularly powerful pressure washing machine. This pressure washer offers hot and cold water washing and comes with 4 nozzle tips, including a soap nozzle and turbo nozzle for better water flow. Its user-friendly spray gun has a flexible hose that allows for different speeds to clean various surfaces depending on the dirt situation at hand. One reviewer explained, "At this price point, which is about average, the power washer has enough power and attachments to do any job you need to do without problems or worry."